Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be discussing on a topic in which I titled how to change your Toyota Sienna fuel pump without you removing the fuel tank. Now, just imagine we have a full fuel tank. In this video, I'll be showing you the guidelines and steps to take in order to replace the fuel pump without or with less stress. Now, let's proceed. Welcome back. So first of all, before we dive in, this is Toyota Sienna 2005 model, so you don't do this on the wrong car. Like you can see, all you just need to do is to follow the steps on this video. And now over here, I just finished cutting the rug, and now about cutting the pan. But before just cutting the rug or pan, you need to know this. It is located just under the middle left seat of the car. That is the driver's side before you cut. But don't just cut. The reason why I say that is because if you cut wrongly, you might end up damaging something or cutting something you are not supposed to. So all I need you to do is to watch this video carefully before you do it on the car. First of all, before you cut, you need to take your measurements. Now, you need to take your measurement. This measurement is the most important aspect of this video I'm making. And now, while cutting, it's not a must that you use a machete. So you can use any other available mechanical tools you have for the cutting. Also, while cutting, don't cut too deep. Like you can hear, I've been mentioning the word cutting, 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 but don't cut too deep. Okay? And I would like to advise, if you want to take your measurement, to watch this video carefully, really carefully. Yeah, in fact, I would advise you to take my measurements. I assure you this is the best measurement to ever use if you want to carry out this process on the car. So guys, I now believe that after watching this video, you would be able to change the Toyota Sienna 2005 model fuel pump without you removing the fuel tank. And the advantage of taking this process is that it saves you the time, stress, and it doesn't even require much tool. So thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more updates.